Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaj. I'm CEO and homeopathy doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will know one of the important diseases that is related to the female. It is known as female pelvic inflammatory disease. How woman knows about this disease is she will have continuous pain in the lower part of the abdomen, especially the lower part where her reproductive organs are present. So she will have continuous pain, and the more complex the some of the complications of this disease is having continuous pain. Apart from having continuous pain, she will have infertility and other complications she will be having regarding this disease. This is one of the common diseases where women will have almost every woman out of 4 women out of 100 in their lifetime will have this disease. So this is one of the common diseases where women have continuous pain. We will look deeply into it. We will look into what is this disease actually and what are all the choices you have. What is allopathic treatment? How is allopathic treatment is good or homeopathic treatment is good? How homeopathy can help you? We will look completely about this disease in this video. Now we will look into female pelvic inflammatory disease. This is the word we have taken from ICD-11. This is the latest word we are using. Okay, and female pelvic inflammatory disease and ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy means I can show you here. See, normally where the woman should get pregnancy, she should get here. So the baby should be grown in the uterus. This is the uterus where baby grows. Here the baby should grow. But what happens is because of this disease, it is inflamed or there is problem with the uterus. So baby will form here or even sometimes outside of the reproductive system, baby is going to form anywhere. This causes problems. This causes severe problems. Even this is life threatening. That's the reason female pelvic inflammatory disease is one of the important disease and dangerous disease for women. Next, what happens? Pelvic pain. Normally, you have seen many women who will be complaining about regular pain below the abdomen. So, lower part of the abdomen, she will be having severe to mild pain and it will be continuous pain. Next important thing is tubo-ovarian abscess. Tubo-ovarian abscess, you can see it here. So this is the ovary, this is the abnormal part. So this is the abscess. Abscess means pus formation. Once the inflammation is gone, pain, redness, swelling, everything is gone, you will have pus. That pus is accumulated either in the tube or in the ovary, and when it bursts, it infects entire abdomen of the women. This is also one of the complications. This is, see, women can think this is a simple problem, right? She just have pain in the lower part of the abdomen, but this is severe. That's the reason women should not neglect this disease. She should be able to take care of this as early as possible. We will now check how homeopathy can help in this. And the next one is, see, coming to the statistics, out of 100 women in their lifetime, about 4 to 5% of them will get this disease. If you take 100 women, you go randomly and you ask 100 women, in that group 4 to 5 women will have this problem somewhere in their life cycle or during their reproductive life cycle. So but what is this actual disease? This actual disease is infection to the upper genital tract. So upper genital tract means, so these are all the reproductive organs related to the women. So uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries and other pelvic structures, pelvic peritoneum. I will show you all this. So especially there will be inflammation. Inflammation means there will be swelling, there will be redness, there will be pus formation. This is the uterus. Uterus means where baby grows. And this is the fallopian tubule. Fallopian tubule means where the egg meets with the sperm. Here the fertilization is going to happen and baby comes here for growing. And this is ovary. Ovary means where the egg is formed. So only when egg and sperm meets, there will be baby. In this, the problem is where the baby grows, it is also infected. Where the egg and sperm get mixed, there is problem with that. And also where the egg is generated, even there will be a problem. That's the reason it leads to infertility. So basically upper female genital tract means this uterus where baby grows, this fallopian tubules where sperm and egg mixes, ovary where egg is produced. All this becomes defective. And also one more important thing is, you can see there is a particular membrane where the digestive organs are separated from the reproductive organs. That small layer, you can see this is half removed. This small white layer is known as pelvic peritoneum. Even this pelvic peritoneum, see, below this all the reproductive organs are present, above this all the digestive organs are present. Even this part you can see it is completely closed, even this part is completely inflamed. Inflamed means it becomes red, it becomes swollen, it becomes painful. When you touch it, the pain will increase. So these are all the things that can happen in female pelvic inflammatory disease. Now we will look how homeopathy can help and what are the disadvantages of allopathic treatment. So we will look into that now. You can see a conventional treatment. Conventional treatment means when you go to a gynecologist, or when you go to a corporate hospital, or when you go to a doctor nearby your home, or this is also known as allopathy or English medicine or Western medicine or conventional medicine. What are all the problems with that? As this is an infection, they will give antibiotics. So see, these reproductive organs are very sensitive, not only bacteria, even they can be virus, they can be fungus, they can be parasite. That's the reason not only antibiotics, other things, antifungals are given and antiparasitics are given. So these cause lot of side effects. So it can damage liver. These can cause simple side effects to major side effects. And they also give painkillers. As the woman is suffering from the pain, she will be regularly taking painkillers. You all know what are all the problems with painkillers. Okay, you want the treatment. You have endured the side effects of antibacterials, antifungals, antiparasitic painkillers, but still what happens is it will reoccur. The main problem the women faces with this disease is reoccurring again and again. She has to take antibiotics, antifungals, antiparasitics, painkiller multiple times. All this she will be doing again and again. Now what her condition becomes is she will have to endure the side effects of this medication along with the disease problem. So now the disease is doubled. In this case, what homeopathy can do, we will look into it. Okay, homeopathy have the capacity to cure the disease. It will cure the disease completely, and it can prevent it from coming again and again. In most of the cases, prevention and cure is possible. In very small amount of cases, maybe in 1 in 100, cure is not completely possible. So just relief of the symptom. All this is without any single side effect. There are no side effects literally in homeopathy. Maybe in out of 500, 1% may get side effects that are not permanent. Those are simple and transient. Once you change the medicine or increase or decrease the dose, the side effects will be gone. And homeopathy is effective than compared to any other system of medicine. You take Ayurveda, you take Unani, you take Siddha, whatever the treatment or the system of medicine you take, homeopathy is more efficient and it is timely. Many people think that homeopathy is slow, but it is not slow, it is timely. Some disease has to be cured quickly, some disease has to take time. So it will give good relief for the women within no time. That's the reason, compared to any other system of medicine, if you have pelvic inflammatory disease, homeopathy is the best treatment for you. And what do you get at Fidicus Homeopathy? You can see the success of the case depends on three things: the treating doctor, the procedures or the medicines you are using, and the infrastructure you have. We have the best doctors. They are passionate, qualified, knowledgeable, experienced, competent, and compassionate. So the drug or device or procedure what we do is top class. Okay, we use only high quality medicines and also best in segment. Best in segment means there are different types of medicines we use. Some are dilutions, some are triturations. So in a particular segment, who is the best pharma that is manufacturing, we will get medicines from them. And the infrastructure, we use latest technology, especially we use artificial intelligence, and this is the only homeopathy clinic who is using that is using artificial intelligence to treat the patients. That's the reason our success rate is highest. At Fidicus Homeopathy, you have two types of treatment, modes of treatment you can say. One is online and in person. In online, it is your choice. You just want to go with audio, or you can have a video call with our doctor, or want to meet in person, inquire about the nearest branch and get the treatment done. If you are in India, it will take 3 working days. If it is US, it will take 4 working days. Apart from US, if it is any other country, it will take 5 business days. So we will ship the medication to your doorsteps. If you have any reports, you can send it to us. If any other reports are needed, we will let you know. You can get them done locally and send it back to us so that We will diagnose it first and then give the treatment. This is our contact, www.fidicus.com, FIDICUS, and also you can contact us on +91 7997 101 303. So you can either call or WhatsApp on this number. Why Fidicus Homeopathy? Fidicus Homeopathy, you have the highest chance of health. So we have the highest success rate for any particular disease, especially pelvic inflammatory disease. We give you transparent treatment. What I mean by transparent treatment is, in that particular case, so we will give you all the options, whether homeopathy is good, homeopathy is bad, and the decision is left to you. And coming to the personal care, so we use technology in the back end, but not dealing with the patients. With the patients, we will have pure personal care. Even all the staff knows you by name. Okay, they will take care of you personally. So we use technology in the back end, but in the front end, dealing with the patients, it's pure personal care. Yeah, now we have seen what is pelvic inflammatory disease. If you want to have the permanent solution for your pelvic inflammatory disease, Fidicus Homeopathy is the right choice for you. Thank you.